I'm thrilled to bring you my Part 3 June 2024 portfolio update. And here's the kicker: the Q2 SCHD quarterly dividend payout has just been revealed, and it's the biggest in history. Stay tuned as we dive into these exciting updates and explore what they mean for our financial future. And there is a new dividend handling feature M1 Finance has just released, but more on that later. In this video, we'll dive into the latest updates regarding the M1 Finance portfolio offerings. If you're new here, M1 Finance is a popular investment platform known for its unique pie-based investing approach. Part 1 and 2 of this portfolio series, we had April and May. For April, we had $63 to the owner's reward credit card payout. We had 50 cents in dividends payout, and we had $900 in deposits, both automatic and manual. For May, we received $76 to the M1 Owner's Reward credit card. We had $1.76 in dividends earned, and we had $400 in automatic regular deposits. Now, for June 2024, we also had $400 in automatic weekly deposits. The Owner's Reward credit card had a cashback redemption earned of $53, and our dividend payout for the month of June was DGRO at a $6.96 quarterly dividend payout. But June also had a big update to SCHD's Q2 dividend announcement. Jumping over to Seeking Alpha to review SCHD's dividend payout history. If we scroll down here, we can see over the last year, we have an update on 625 of 82 cents per share paid out. Prior to that, to Q2 of last year, 2023, we had a 66-cent dividend payout per share. Now, that is a 24% increase year over year. Here's a quick snapshot of the dividend history with SCHD. And you can see we've grown quarter over quarter every year with this fund, leading up to Q2 of 2024. Now, if we jump back to our M1 Finance app and scroll down to our investment tab, we can see our totals have not been updated for SCHD as the payout date is for 7/1/2024. So this will be increased. Now, if we want to calculate our SCHD dividend earned, we can scroll over to the fund and we'll do a simple calculation on the 82 cents. We can see the amount of shares on my ETF holding right here. We can see our shares at the bottom left. That is 15.10 shares in this portfolio. To calculate my payout, we simply multiply my 15 shares by the 82 cents per share to give an estimated Q2 quarterly dividend payout of $12.30. Our current dividends earned from SCHD is $5.54, bringing us to a total, once we receive it, of roughly $17.84. That's taking a look at SCHD over the past month. We can see at the end of May, we roughly had $1,000 in equity. And today we're sitting at roughly $1,174 in equity. Let's go back and check out our DGRO, because we actually did receive a dividend payout for DGRO. With DGRO, we had a $9.98 dividend earned for the life of this holding. We have a roughly 10% gain on a money-weighted rate of return. I hold a roughly 25 shares in this position. Let's go back and review our next holding in this minor pie. This is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETFs. I've received $1.13 in dividends earned with a money-weighted rate of return of 24%. And for June, looks like we had about $246. We're sitting at about $295. I hold just over one share in this holding. Scrolling back to our growth, let's go back to our main pie. Looking at the value, this is VPU. VPU, we have $9 in dividends earned with a money-weighted rate of return of about 11%. In June, looks like we've been holding steady and we've actually lost some value on this fund. I held roughly 9 shares in this position. Scrolling back up, let's go look at Amex and see how they performed. American Express is my only stock in this portfolio. And right now we've earned about $2.40 in dividends earned and a 31% money weighted rate of return with American Express. Let's look at our total holdings tab to analyze each holding one by one. We can see based on value, but I want to scroll and sort on based on shares. You can see with DGRO, I hold the most shares in this M1 Finance portfolio. SCHD's in second with about 15, VPU's got about 9, Amex with 1, VTI with 1. Now, let's discuss our dividend income. This is a new feature inside of M1 Finance, and you can see exactly where you've been paid. You've got pending income, estimated income, and average monthly income. So you can see I've got a relatively new portfolio with M1 Finance. This is a good snapshot of all of your holdings on the platform to be able to estimate exactly what you're going to be receiving. We can see right here with SCHD, our payment amount, $12.45 is pending. Pay date right here. So this is a good place for you to see all of your dividend income if that is your main focus with M1 Finance. And on this channel, we're focused on qualified dividend income earning potential. I also like on the top right up here, you can see your next 12 months and its estimated performance. Now you see these spikes on the quarterly amounts because my SCHD and DGRO are paid quarterly. And you can see this is your estimated earnings. So that's, of course, an estimation. And I do not believe that includes the future money that we have automatically allocated. So this number, of course, will go up as we invest more into these funds. We can look at our history and see this is about the time I started my M1 Finance portfolio. December had the largest gain. 2024, we can see our growth. And this is what we like with automatic, seamless investing utilizing ETFs, qualified, that pay quarterly dividends. This is the M1 Finance new dividend income tracker. Click on the video right over here if you want to learn how to direct your future dividend income inside of M1 Finance.